Hello everybody, I'm at this Matchbox vending machine. There are some Hot Wheels, the Kowloon bus, the K-Swap, the Field Car, the Jeep Wagoneer, a Fantasy Casting, 2 Jeep, 1 orange, 1 yellow because the card is old, a blue Golf Mark 1, Citroen C4, the El Camino, the Donut, Ford Fiesta, another El Camino, Ford Explorer, Nissan Terrano. Okay, the rest is old news or repeat. As usual, Tesla at the site, Model Y, Model X, Model S, monster truck. This is expensive. Okay, the moving part Toyota Prius Mini at a inflated price. So yeah, I won't be buying anything this round, though the Volkswagen Golf in blue looks tempting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.